Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Skimlinks for affiliate link management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the Skimlinks website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Provide your email address, username, and password. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred payment method. Complete any additional questions or fields required for your profile. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Skimlinks. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Skimlinks website. Log in using your username and password. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Click on the Settings tab to complete your profile. Provide any missing information about your website or blog. Add details about your content type and audience. Now, locate the Get Links section on the dashboard. Here, you can generate your first affiliate links. Choose a merchant from the list provided. Select the product you want to promote. Click on the Get Link button for that product. Copy the generated affiliate link. You can now use this link on your website or blog. Return to the dashboard to track your performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.